Hello everyone and welcome to Sally and Bytes. Let's work out these NCERT problems, Strings in Python, Part 2 Programming Problems, for Class 11 students of Computer Science. With easy step-by-step explanation and practical implementation. Let's dive in and get started. Question 1. Now, listen to the Python program carefully. Write a Python program to input lines of text from the user until Enter is pressed. Count the total number of characters in the text, including white spaces, total number of alphabets, total number of digits, total number of special symbols and total number of words in the given text. Assume that each word is separated by one space. Let's look at the Python code. In line 1, this line imports the string module, which contains a string of characters that are considered punctuation symbols. We'll use this module to check for special symbols. Line 4 to 8, these lines initialize 5 variables that will be used to count various properties of the text: total characters, total alphabets, total digits, total special symbols, and total words. In line 11, this part displays a message to the user, indicating that they should enter text. It also informs them that they can press Enter to finish the input. In line 12, this while loop continues until the user enters an empty line, just presses Enter. In line 13, line equals input function takes input from the user and assigns it to the line variable. In line 14 and 15, the if line equal to empty space condition checks if the user pressed Enter, empty input, and if so, it breaks out of the loop to stop taking input. In line 17 and 18, these lines update the counters. Total underscore characters is increment by the length of the current line, effectively counting the total characters in the line, including spaces. Total underscore words is increment by the number of words in the current line. The line.split method splits the line into words based on spaces and returns a list of words, and len of line.split function gives you the count of words in that list. In line 20 to 26, this loop iterates through each character in the current line. In line 21 and 22, if char isalpha function checks if the character is an alphabet, letter, and if so, it increments the total underscore alphabets counter. In line 23 and 24, elif char isdigit function checks if the character is a digit, and if so, it increments the total underscore digits counter. In line 25 and 26, elif char in string.punctuation checks if the character is a special symbol in the string.punctuation set, and if so, it increments the total underscore special underscore symbols counter. Finally, after the user finishes input, the program displays the results by printing the values of the counters for total characters, alphabets, digits, special symbols, and words. It uses f-strings to format and display these values. Let's see the output. The program first displays the message Enter text. Press Enter to finish to prompt the user to start entering text. The user then enters the following 2 lines of text. Python programming is very interesting to learn. Everyday practice is important. The program processes this input and calculates the following results. Total characters, 79. This includes all characters in the input, including letters, spaces, and punctuation. Total alphabets, 68. There are 68 alphabetic characters, letters, in the input. Total digits, 0. There are no numeric digits in the input, so this count is 0. Total special symbols, 2. The special symbols are counted as exclamation marks and period. Total words, 11. The program counts words based on spaces. There are 11 words in the input. Question 2. Write a user-defined function to convert a string with more than one word into title case string where string is passed as parameter. Title case means that the first letter of each word is capitalized. Let's look at the Python code. In line 1, def convert underscore to underscore title underscore case of input underscore string. This line defines a function called convert_to_title_case that takes one argument, input_string. This function will convert the input string to title case. In line 2, title_string equals input_string.title function. This line uses the title method to convert the input_string to title case and stores the result in the title_string variable. In line 3, print, the input string in title case is title_string. This line prints the original input string and its title case version to the console. In line 5, user_input equals input, enter a sentence. This line prompts the user to enter a sentence by displaying the message enter a sentence. The input provided by the user is stored in the user_input variable. In line 8, total_spaces equals 0. This line initializes a variable total_spaces to keep track of the number of spaces in the input string. In line 9, for char in user_input. This line starts a for loop that iterates over each character in the user_input string. In line 10, if char is space function. This line checks if the current character char is a space character, white space. In line 11, total_spaces equals total_spaces plus 1. If the current character is a space, it increments the total_spaces variable by 1, which counts the number of spaces in the input string. In line 14, if user_input.isTitle function. This line checks if the original user_input is already in title case using the isTitle method. In line 15, print, the string is already in title case. If the input is already in title case, this line prints a message indicating that fact. In line 17, elif total_spaces is greater than 0. This line is an else if, elif, condition. It checks if the input string is not in title case and contains more than one word, which is determined by the total_spaces count. In line 18, convert_to_title_case of user_input. If the condition is met, it calls the convert_to_title_case function to convert the input to title case and prints the result. In line 20, else. This line is an else condition, which handles cases where the input is a single word. In line 21, print, the string is a single word. If the input is a single word, no spaces, this line prints a message indicating that fact. Now, let's see the output. The user enters hello, the output displayed is the string is a single word. Next the user enters hello world, which is already title cased. So the output is the string is already in title case. The next sentence given by the user is hello world in lowercase letters. The output is title cased hello world. The first character of each word is capitalized and the remaining letters in lowercase, that is title cased. Question 3. Write a function delete char, which takes two parameters, one is a string and other is a character. The function should create a new string after deleting all occurrences of the character from the string and return the new string. Let's look at the Python code. In line 1, def delete char of input_string, char_to_delete. This line defines a function called delete char that takes two parameters, input_string and char_to_delete. The function will remove all occurrences of char_to_delete from input_string. In line 2, new_string equals input_string.replace of char_to_delete. This line creates a new string called new_string by using the str_replace method on the input_string. It replaces all occurrences of char_to_delete with an empty string. This effectively deletes the specified character from the string. In line 3, return new_string. This line returns the new_string as the result of the delete char function. In line 5, input_str equals input, enter a string. This line uses the input function to prompt the user to enter a string. The user's input is stored in the variable input_str. In line 6, char_to_remove equals input of, enter the character to delete. This line uses input method again to prompt the user to enter the character they want to delete. The user's input is stored in the variable char_to_remove. In line 8, result equals delete char of, input_str, char_to_remove. This line calls the delete char function, passing the user-provided input_str and char_to_remove as arguments. It stores the result, the modified string, in the variable result. In line 9, this line prints the result along with the text result to the console, showing the string with the specified character deleted. Now, let's see the output. The user enters a string, hello world. The character to delete given is O. The result if HELLWRLD. Question 4. Input a string having some digits. Write a function to return the sum of digits present in this string. Let's see the Python code. In line 1, def sum_of_digits of input_string. This line defines a function called sum_of_digits that takes one parameter, input_string, which is the string for which we want to calculate the sum of digits. In line 2, total equals 0. This line initializes a variable called total to 0. This variable will be used to keep track of the sum of digits found in the string. In line 3, for char in input_string:. This line starts a for loop that iterates through each character, char, in the input_string. It goes through the string character by character. In line 4, if char isDigit method:. This line checks if the current character, char, is a digit. The isDigit method returns true if the character is a digit. In line 5, total equals total plus int of char. If the character is a digit, this line converts it to an integer using int of char and adds it to the total. This accumulates the sum of digits found in the string. In line 6, return total. This line returns the final value of total as the result of the sum_of_digits function. In line 9, this line gets the input from the user, a mix of characters and digits. In line 12, result equals sum_of_digits of input_str. Here, the sum_of_digits function is called with the input_str as the argument, and the result is stored in the variable result. In line 14, finally, this line prints the message sum of digits along with the value of result, which is the sum of digits found in the input_str. Now, let's see the output. The user enters a string hello 1234. The sum of digits is 10. Question 5. Write a function that takes a sentence as an input parameter where each word in the sentence is separated by a space. The function should replace each blank with a hyphen and then return the modified sentence. Let's look at the Python code. In line 1, def replace _spaces _with hyphens of sentence. This line defines a function called replace _spaces with hyphens that takes one parameter, sentence, which is the sentence with spaces that we want to modify. In line 2, modified _sentence equals sentence dot replace empty space hyphen. Inside the function, this line uses the strReplace method to replace all spaces in the sentence with hyphens. The result is stored in the variable modified _sentence. In line 3, return modified _sentence. This line returns the modified sentence as the result of the function. In line 6, input_sentence equals input of, enter a sentence with spaces. Here, we use the input function to prompt the user to enter a sentence with spaces. The user's input is stored in the variable input_sentence. In line 7, result equals replace underscore spaces underscore with underscore hyphens of input underscore sentence. This line calls the replace underscore spaces underscore with underscore hyphens function with the user-provided input underscore sentence and stores the modified sentence in the variable result. In line 8, print modified sentence result. Finally, this line prints the message modified sentence along with the value of result, which is the modified sentence with spaces replaced by hyphens. You can check the output here, how hyphen fills the empty space between each word in this sentence. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you are new to my Sally and Bytes YouTube channel to stay updated with engaging content and never miss out on my latest videos. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Watch the upcoming videos. You can check the link in the description box given below.